How's it going, government students? I hope you're having a good Monday so far, and I hope that you had a great weekend. Thanks again to Spotty and Rhea for stepping in as class captains for this week. And it's especially important because I'm going to be out on Thursday and Friday. Unfortunately, my wife's grandma passed away, so we're going to be heading out to Littleton for the funeral. So thanks in advance for all the condolences and all that sort of stuff. She did live a good life. She was like 88, so at least, she's got that going for her, but it's still sad. Anyways, as you guys went through that warm up, I hope that you realized that of this PI, you guys already know quite a bit of stuff because we've been working on that statement for the last few weeks, which is a good thing because we're going to be starting our summative today. As you'll notice here with the learning objective that you already went over, it is the PI. So there's the reason why we did that is because your summative is going over every element of that statement. So the first thing we're going to be doing is just to be able to take a look at the U.S. federal government. This is stuff that we did that's based off of previous assignments that we did throughout the unit. So you'll notice that there's some assignments that are linked in there that you can always pull up related to those questions. But we'll go over that together. And then after that, this is the part that I'm actually going to grade for the summative. So you'll see that you're going to get assigned a country. Depending on what country you have, you're going to be going through part 2 and 3 related to that country. And you'll see that part 2 is the required part, and part 3 is the part that you can do if you want to try to go for exemplary. Even if you do it, you might not get exemplary, just to let you know. I've had students in the past that did this but didn't do part 2 very well. So just because you do part 3 doesn't mean that you can automatically get exemplary. I'm still going to be taking a look at your part 2 as well. All right, so that's kind of a little synopsis that we're going to be doing for today. You will have today and tomorrow to be working on this in class. It will be due for you on Thursday at the beginning of class. All right, so no more time on Thursday to be able to work on it, just today and tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Good job, and have a great day.